This is the UltraGlass Unbreak top for the 16 Pro Max. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys exactly how to install this nice tempered glass screen protector. And huge thanks to UltraGlass for sending this out to me so I can showcase to you guys. So it comes in this really nice black box. Definitely love the packaging design of this. So let's go ahead and see what we get inside. All right, the very first thing here, we're gonna have an envelope here with all of our accessories. And here is the actual tempered glass screen protector that comes in this really nice insulation frame here. You can see here it's already pre-installed. Now you actually get two of these, which is inside this envelope as well, which is great value. And then further inside here, there is a little microfiber squeegee here. Now opening up the envelope here, we're gonna have our second tempered glass screen protector. And as you can see here, it does come with holes here, so whenever you use the first one, and you can then reinstall it to this insulation frame, so you can definitely reuse it. Now since we get two, they're gonna give us two screen protector installation kits here. That's gonna give you your microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, and your alcohol prep pad. All right, so to install it, the very first thing I recommend is to just shut off your phone completely. And then you want to open up one of your screen protector accessory kit. We're going to start with this one here, which is the alcohol prep pad. And I like the fact that they're numbered. You can see number 1. You can see the cloth says 2. Then we have 3 and 4. And I really like that visual cue. So with the alcohol prep pad, you want to go over your phone here. It's going to be nice and wet here. Then you're going to take your microfiber cloth and you're going to dry that off. And then you can go ahead and use these dust removal stickers here. Now, since the installation frame has an anti-dust feature built in, you may not need to do this, but I still recommend it just in case to get the major ones out there. All right, and now we're ready to use our installation frame. So the very first thing we're gonna definitely do, relocate where it says top here, which indicates the top of the phone, of course. And all you're gonna do here is you're going to place it over the phone, apply some pressure. And then whenever you're ready, all we have to do is pull this tab, making it very easy to install. So we're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. All right, and as you can see, immediately after I moved it, you're going to see the screen protector automatically starts to adhere. So I would just give that a few seconds here. If you'd like, you can use this microfiber squeegee here and apply some pressure to help it. All right, right after that here, all we're going to do is remove the actual tray here. So let's go ahead and push it out. All right, and as you can see here, the screen protector is installed. We do have a couple of bubbles here, but the good thing is that we have this microfiber squeegee here, so we can easily push that out. Now, I really love the microfiber squeegee here because it really makes pushing these out super easy. And I just want to give you a little indicator here. So for example, you see a little air pocket over there. Using the squeegee here, all we're doing is applying pressure here. And we're just basically just squeezing that air out. And as you can see, it comes off very easy. Now a little trick here, you can apply a good amount of pressure and it should alleviate the bubbles here. And just like that here, we're left with a super clean screen protector, fully installed here. Now I want to say that the whole process took less than a minute here. So I really appreciate the squeegee here because it really makes pushing those final bubbles out. Now, taking a closer look here, we can see that it is a full coverage tempered glass screen protector that will cover almost edge to edge. Now, you do have to leave some space, of course, for some cases here, of course, but it is very close to the edge. I don't know if you can see that there. Just enough space for cases, which is really good. And you can see where the earpiece is at. We have a really small indentation down there, which is very precise for the earpiece. So I really like that a lot, but on the bottom here, same thing here. It is super clean here. So let's go ahead and power on the phone here. All right, so we got our phone up and running. I want to go ahead and quickly test out the smoothness of the screen protector. So it definitely feels really nice and smooth. I definitely like how I feel the thickness of it here. It really makes it feel more secure. I really like that touch a lot. Another great thing here is that it is full transparent, so you'll be able to see all the beautiful colors of your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Another great thing about this particular screen protector is that it is rated for a 12 feet of military grade shatterproof protection here. That's a really high rating here. Now, I can't really test the 12 feet here, but I have this little hammer here that I'm just going to quickly drop right in the center of the screen protector here. And as you can see here, screen protector definitely held up very well, and I am really content with that. I'm pretty sure if this hammer was at a high altitude, I'm pretty sure it might end up breaking here, but this hammer is pretty heavy here. You can see it's a really thick hammer here, so I'm really content with that. So if you, let's say, take it to the gym, for example, I like to go to the gym a lot, and if by mistake, you know, a little dumbbell falls in, then, you know, chances are your phone is going to be nice and protected. Now I want to quickly put this case on here. This is a Bodyguard's Paradigm case. And as you can see, with the case on, we have full coverage protection here. So of course, even with this tempered glass screen protector, I still recommend a case, of course. But if you're someone who does not like to use cases at all, then by all means, at least rock a screen protector and you should be perfectly fine. Now, once again, I love the fact that you get an additional screen protector that you can share with a friend or family, or you can keep it just in case. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what to do with this. So with the old screen protector, you're going to basically remove the last pieces here. And you're going to quickly take this one over here and you want to locate the top. And of course, we can tell because it has like this little 3 holes here that looks like a face. And you basically want to turn it around so that you have this pulling mechanism shown up front. Obviously, this is backwards. And all we're going to do here is we're going to line it up again. And we're going to push these inside the tabs. All right, so we have a total of 4 here, so they should go in nice and smooth. And the final thing here is this pulling mechanism here. And on the bottom here, there is some space here that you can basically put this pulling mechanism right underneath. And then from here, we can pull it just a little bit and just enough where we can put it over the tab. Okay, just like that, we want to pull it over the tab. And now it is basically ready for a secondary installation. So my recommendation, of course, is to put this aside or grab a friend or family's iPhone 16 Pro Max and go ahead and install that second screen protector. Now, price for this compared to other screen protectors can be on the pricier side. It's not ultra expensive. We're talking about under $35, maybe even less if you can catch it on sale. And you're getting 2, so I think that's a really great value for a really high quality screen protector. Because now, yes, there are screen protectors that are probably less than 10 bucks, but to be very honest, most of them don't come with a easy installation frame. Most of them are definitely not edge to edge, and the thickness of the glass is on the cheaper end, so I prefer having a really nice high quality screen protector. So if you're looking for a great, reasonably priced tempered glass screen protector, then I highly recommend the UltraGlass Unbreak top. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Firewolf out.